The wait is over. And now, the Bloomsburg Fair is back and better than ever. Get ready for 9 full days of excitement at the 166th Bloomsburg Fair, featuring live music and entertainment on the Wise Markets Grandstand stage. From the Grammy Award-winning Pat Benatar and Neil Giraldo, September 29th. The Championship Demolition Derby, September 30th. And then, legendary Rock and Roll Hall of Fame inductees, Chicago, October 1st. Get tickets and more info at bloomsburgfair.com or call the Grandstand Ticket Office at 570-387-4145. The 166th Bloomsburg Fair, September 24th through October 2nd in Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania. Visit bloomsburgfair.com today. Produced by Variety Attractions.